Hello friends, I'm Shahida and welcome to our different and amazing show Vastu, Harmony and You. This is the very first show in English on this subject. Vastu and Feng Shui, not only a name, in fact these are science, and today we are going to discuss about Vastu and Feng Shui and its different aspects. Apart from this, we will also take your meals, of course, with solution. And for this, we have here in our studio world-renowned Vastu and Feng Shui expert, Dr. Rupa Batra. Welcome to our show, ma'am.
Hello.
Well, friends, I want to tell you that if you have any problem regarding Vastu and Feng Shui, you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on this number 9560423423. You can also mail your queries on batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can visit our website also, that is www.globalvastu.com, and you can also join the page on Facebook, which is www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Well, Dr. Batra, I want to tell you that our program is getting popular day by day, and we have received lots of mail and still we getting. And you want to say something to our audience?
Well, thank you so much, viewers. I have got a very good response from you people, and I am receiving many appreciation from your good self about the program, and receiving many SMS, many emails, many letters about the program. Thank you so much for your appreciation.
Okay, Dr. Batra. Here I am going to take our first mail, and which is from Gwalior, and he is Mr. Khanna. He said, I have bought a plot and I have started constructing the compound wall which is going on, where I found that the southwest, which is one of the corner of the plot, which is blocked by big and heavy stone. So I have heard that the blockage in any corner is not good. If is it yes, please clear my doubt.
Closing of the corner is not good, but as there is a heavy and big stone in southwest of your plot, and as you have said that is a corner of the plot, the very first thing, that the heavy thing in the southwest is very good, it's very nice. So for so you don't have to worry about that heavy stone is in southwest, so it hardly matter. But if for all the viewers also would like to know that there are 4 corners, that is northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. If the corner is southwest, so all the corners like northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. So if there is any blockage, if the blockage is in northeast, it is not good, it is for distress, I would say. And if the blockage is in southeast, so their problem is the wealth will be destroyed, and the health of the children and the female is affected. And if there is a blockage in northwest, the progress of the family will be affected, litigation is there. If the blockage is in northwest, so female related and children related problem is there, progress of the family is affected. Bankrupt, the person who lives here is prone to bankruptcy, and definitely it will lead to mental problems, mental tension, mental pressure, even depression. And if there is a blockage in southwest, as you told that your southwest has a big stone, so that is good, it is permitted, no problem at all, Mr. Khanna, you don't need to worry about it. Only one thing, if that stone, if that blockage is in pathway, then you need to think about. If the blockage is not in the pathway, then you do not need to worry about that stone. So it's good, as you have told, it is in southwest. So don't worry, Mr. Khanna, it's all fine, it's all okay.
Okay, Dr. Batra. Well friends, here I am reminding you, If you have any doubt related to Vastu of your house, shop, plot or any construction site, then you can send your properties map to Dr. Batra. Or if you have any queries, then you can contact Dr. Rupa Batra on this number, which is 9560423423. Dr. Rupa Batra, Vastu and Feng Shui expert. Our address: Global Vastu, E16/376, Sector 8, Rohini, Delhi 85. You can also contact us on these numbers: 9560423423. You can also mail us batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. You can also join the Facebook, www.facebook.com/globalvastu. Clubs, associations, schools, colleges, corporates can contact for free Vastu awareness workshop. You can contact on these number 9560423423. You can visit our website also, which is www.globalvastu.com. You can also mail us on these IDs: batrarupa@yahoo.com, batrarupa@gmail.com. Conditions apply.